My name is Seamus Doyle from 𝙒𝙭𝙭𝙙𝙾 Painting, and we're here today in Sugar House Lane in New Ross, doing up some old buildings here on my right. We started here this morning at around 6:30, and hopefully by the end of the week we should have all this street done. And look, it'll add to the town. Already the council are doing a lot of work around, a lot of murals, fantastic work going on around New Ross. So look, this will add to it, and hopefully this will keep going and they'll do other buildings around New Ross. But look, we started this morning. We hope we'll work late every evening. We'll be working here early in the morning and every morning this week, and we hope that by the end of the week this project will be finished. Yeah, if anyone wants to drop by and drop us off a 99 or a bottle of 𝙒𝙭𝙭𝙪𝙣𝙙 or whatever, they can pop on and have a look at the street and create a bit of interest around.